Define variable in statistics. A constant value that remains unchanged, any characteristic or quantity that can vary or be measured, a type of statistical analysis tool, a category of data used for graphical representation. And the right option is option B. Define population in statistics. The total number of individuals, items, or subjects under study. The entire groups of individuals, items, or subjects under study. Option C is the study of demographic trends. And D option is the total area covered by a specific habitat. And the right option is option B. What is a sample in statistics? A small taste of food, a subset of population selected for study, a small book, the result of an experiment. And the right option is option B, a subset of a population selected for study. What is the definition of statistics? The study of unusual statistical phenomena and concluding result. The branch of mathematics dealing with shapes and measurements. The branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. The study of cultural language variations. And the right option is option C. Explain the difference between discrete and continuous variables. And the right option is option B. Discrete variables can only take on specific values, while continuous variables can take on any value within a certain range.